Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between AutoEntry and HubDoc. This is the receipt battle. Are you tired of your receipts and invoices creating a paper monster? Well, AI does all the data entry for you, but which tool tames the beast better? Is it the data crunching specialist AutoEntry or the all-in-one HubDoc? Let's end the debate. When we look at the superpower, AutoEntry is the pure data extraction master. It is the pure data extraction master, a specialist that is lightning fast and accurate. While HubDoc, HubDoc, is the central hub. It doesn't just read documents, it organizes and feeds them directly into your books. When we look at who or what they are best for, AutoEntry is best for accountants and bookkeepers who need to process huge volumes of documents into any software. While HubDoc is best for business owners using Xero, that is Xero, or QuickBooks Online who want a seamless, automated workflow. When you look at how it works, AutoEntry, snap, upload, and it extracts the data for you to review and export. That's the process. You snap, you upload, and AutoEntry extracts the data for you to review and export. While HubDoc, you snap, you upload, and it automatically pushes the data and the document image into your accounting software. When we look at the edge or the advantage you've gotten or upgrade you've gotten in 2025, we can see that AutoEntry got incredible accuracy on complex, multi-line invoices and handwritten notes, while HubDoc got deep, seamless integration that acts as a single source of truth inside your accounting platform. Lastly, what is the bottom line? AutoEntry is the best tool for the job, while HubDoc is the best system for the job. So which one wins? Think of it like this. AutoEntry is a brilliant surgeon, incredibly precise at the one task it does, while HubDoc is a brilliant hospital. It handles the entire procedure from intake to recovery as long as you are in its network, which is Xero, Xero, or Q or QuickBooks. So are you looking for a powerful standalone tool or a fully integrated solution? If you are an accounting pro who uses multiple platforms, give this video a like for AutoEntry. But if you're a business owner living in Xero, Xero, or QuickBooks, hit subscribe for HubDoc. Let us know your choice in the comments. Thanks for watching and say goodbye to that shoebox of receipts.